would go to the beach.
Wow.
Hi guys! I like to go to the beach, so I want to play with beach.
Are you going to play sands too, baby?
Yes.
Wow. Beach. Are you excited?
Yeah, and I'm excited to play with the sand, guys.
Alright. Later we will show you the beach. We're going to Calatagan, Batangas. So today is October 4. This has been rescheduled.
Blah, blah, blah.
Ayun nga, supposed to be, ito ay noong September 27, birthday ni tatay.
Gaga!
Let's go, guys! Hey guys, we're here na finally. Mga nice. So, ayun, after around 2 to 3 hours na travel time namin, andito na rin kami finally sa Casobe. And, ayan, init na po silang dalawa. You say hi, guys! Ayan, nakatulog sila. Ayan, si Bebe. We're not going down pa. Let's wait for tatay. Eh, magagalit sila, kuya. So, si tatay po, nag-register muna siya doon sa loob. Ayan, bago kami hatid sa aming place. Who?
Si
No, he's going to register our name. Are you excited, kuya?
Yes.
Me too. I'm excited. So, yun nga sabi namin sa inyo kanina, ito po finally natuloy na ang celebration ng birthday ni tatay kasi na-postpone siya kasi last September 26 dapat to, 26 to 27. Kaso na-cancel or pinospone muna namin kasi nga may bagyo noon dito. So, signal number 3 dito sa Batangas. So, hindi na kami tumuloy. So, pinareschedule lang namin the next weekend. So, ito na ngayon, October 4. Ano yun?
I want to wear my best.
Oh, you will wear your vest later. Hindi, tomorrow na lang.
Why?
Kasi maulan. Medyo maulan-ulan pa rin nga eh. Ayun guys, so later we will show you our room. Yan, dito sa Casobe, Batangas. Calatagan, Batangas. Till next time. See you later. Bye! Dito nga sumakay kami ng mga bata sa kanilang service card kasi ihahatid nila kami sa Apollo unit namin while si tatay is nasa registration pero hintayin namin siya kasi dito yung parking. Ito na. Tatay is coming. Ay, si tatay.
Hello, beach?
Yeah, we will go to the beach.
Apple.
Doon sa gitna.
Tapos, doon ko na lang po yan yung gamit.
Okay.
That's fine. How would your garment?
You will put it there on the other side.
Oh, di ba? Parang ano?
Ano tayo na sa ano na? Futuristic. Apollo 3 in this one. Ha?
I want to.
Oh, yes yun. Ay, doon pala meron din doon. Kasi ano doon?
We're going to change our
walang
clothes
ano.
first.
Walang walkway doon.
Then we're going to change our clothes.
We'll change our clothes and then we'll go to the swimming pool. Hindi naman nag-ano eh. Para sulit na sulit.
Wow.
So cool, dear.
Yeah, it's so cool. We're like in the future, kuya. Future. Like all the surroundings are robots.
Futuristic, no?
Let's see here. Let's see. Excuse me. So that's how I want it. Wow.
There's the next TV there.
There's another TV here.
You can watch any one.
So So you can see the outside, but people from outside cannot see the inside.
Yeah.
It's one-way mirror, guys.
Correct. Where's the, ano?
So after ka namin maayos yung mga gamit namin, so ito na nga, nag-swimming na nga kami ng mga bata. Alam mo naman sila, excited na excited mag-swimming. Sakto naman, nung natapos kami mag-swimming dyan, gutom na kami, perfect for dinner time na. Kumain kami sa kanilang resto with live band pa. Good morning, guys. So, ito ang labas ng gabi namin. Nandito kami sa balcony. Naku, yung boses ko malat na. Ang ganda, no? Para kami nasa future. Kasi yung mga cabin, oh. This is our view outside. Ito yan po si Bebe. Gising na. Say hi, Bebe. Be. Sleepy ka pa. Ay. So, yun kami. Diba? Time check, it's exactly 8:43 a.m. So, kami po ay pupunta sa beach. Yan. Para maglakad-lakad. So, ito yung surroundings or yung loob ng Casabe. Sometimes, traveling with little kids feels like a full workout. The packing, the tantrums, the endless, are we there yet? But you know what? Every bit of the hassle is so worth it. Kasi balang araw, di na nila maalala kung gaano kahaba yung biyahe o gaano ka-stress si nanay sa pag-impake. Ang tatatak sa kanila ay yung tawa, lambing, at saya na magkakasama tayo. Hindi luho ang magbakasyon o mag-celebrate. Memories yun. At minsan lang sila bata. Ang bilis ng panahon. Kaya habang gusto pa nilang sumama, habang sabay pa tayong natatawa sa simpleng bagay, sulitin natin. These are the stories our kids will carry as they grow. The memories that remind them how much they were loved. Kaya habang kaya pa natin, let's make the most of every trip, every celebration, every simple joy together. So mag-check out na kami. Pabalik na kami, pauwi na kami. So, ayan, medyo naayos na namin gamit namin. Iniintay na lang namin yung cart para sunduin kami. Ayan, yung isang view. Ayan, si CJ, inip na siya, oh. Tingnan niyo kalokohan niya, oh. Miga na siya, oh. Talaga naman.
Tatay there? Tatay there?
We're waiting for tatay. Dito kami, nakasakay na kami.
Tatay there?
Where?
Okay. Try bike.
Kasi bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Did you have fun?
Fun.
Yeah? You enjoy swimming?
Swimming.
Telshera 3, Apollo 3, check out.
Tatay there.
Tatay will sit here in front.
Back.